Well, hello, folks. Good morning. Coming on almost good afternoon. It's just after 11 o'clock as of this recording. I just came around doing a resort videos on some of the parts in the resort. And I'm now waiting for the cleaning lady to show up to give me a bottle of water. Normally by 10 o'clock she's usually out there cleaning, but I haven't seen her and it's already after 11. And I'm really hoping she comes soon because normally I have a bottle of water between 10 and noon. But I normally see her out there and it's now 11 o'clock and I haven't seen anybody pushing a cart, and normally I see them pushing a cart. So hopefully soon enough they will. But anyway, as I was saying about doing some recordings of the resort, I wanted to just kind of say that now that I'm in my room, I'm cooling down here a little bit. It's not super hot, by the way, but it's hot enough when you're out there for extended periods of time. The weird thing is the first couple of days that I was here, it was actually chilly. Like not cold, but chilly. Like you needed a shirt on, almost chilly. Like evenings was even chillier, but not cold, chilly. Meaning you can still walk around, but it was nice enough, cool enough to be like, oh man, it's got a little chill in the air. But the last 3 days since I've been here now 5 days, actually, roughly. It's now Sunday, so by the way, I never said that part. Yeah, so I hope these people come. Like, I really need a friggin' bottle of water. This is crazy. I've never seen that before. One thing I noticed, though, too, they haven't brought pop. And actually, if I see them before I leave, I might ask them if they have bottles of pop at all. Because this whole time I haven't seen on this resort, other than in the bars and stuff like that, that they have pop. And I only drink pop and water and sometimes slushies. They have slushies in the bars there in the lobby. Anyway, so just kind of wanted to throw that in as well. It's been an interesting morning last night. I could go into it longer, but yesterday was kind of weird with the internet going down and such. And then next thing you know, it's my timing on my computer is like not the time it is in reality. It's like 5 hours or 6 hours behind. It's 1 a.m. Well, I thought it was 1 p.m. It actually turns out it was 1 a.m. on the computer, but it actually was 7:30 or something like that when I woke up, because the light out. It usually gets light around 7:30 here. So anyway, yeah, it was kind of a weird last night after going into my room here and then falling asleep after the internet cut out. And it's still cut out. Crazy. I know this is Cuba for you, though. But this is the first time being here that it's ever cut out. And 2 times I've been here. Yeah, okay. So, adios.